Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome you again in Pakistan International School Taif Virtual Learning System Session 2020. Dear students, this is your science class for grade 4. Today our topic is plants. Unit number 6, page number 30. What are plants? Plants are one of the most important things on planet Earth. Understand, students? Without plants, we cannot live because plants give us food, oxygen, furniture, woods, etc. Without plants, there would be no food to eat, no oxygen to breathe. So plants are very important for our life. Let's start our reading from page number 30. Unit 6, plants. Plants are important. We all need plants. They play an important role in our environment. All living things in the world, directly or indirectly, depends on plants for their food. Plants are the most important part of a food chain. They not only provide us with food but also help us in our daily lives. Plants provide shelter and food to wildlife and fish populations. When plants make food, they release oxygen, which we all need for breathing. Most medicines are made from chemicals taken from plants. Plants also provide materials like wood to make houses, furniture, and paper. The plant kingdom. We cannot live without plants. Plants grow in all shapes and sizes. Scientists have discovered over 380,000 different species of plants. Some plants grow in hot, dry deserts where there is a little water, and others grow in or near water. All the plants on the earth make up the plant kingdom. Okay, on the side you have, do you remember? Except for a few places, plants are found everywhere in the world. Just like you, plants are also living things. Plants possess chlorophyll and make their food by themselves through a process called photosynthesis, using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Do you know the scientific study of plant is known as botany. Next, page number 31 is one way to classify the plant kingdom into different groups is based on their body structure. There are two types of plants, simple plants or higher plants. First we will discuss simple plants. Plants that lack organ lack mean they don't have root, stem, leaves, flower and fruit are called simple plants. Other type is higher plants. These have a complex body with complete organs including roots, stems, leaves and seeds, and may have flowers and fruits. We have to classify plants into two types. In number one is simple plants, another side is higher plants. In simple plants you have algae, mosses, ferns, and higher plants, conifers and flowering plants. First we have algae. Algae are the simple plants. They have a very simple body. They do not have roots, stems, leaves, flowers, or fruits. Then what makes algae a plant? It is because they have chlorophyll and can make their own food. Their cell contain a cell wall made of cellulose. Algae can be both unicellular and multicellular. Students, unicellular mean those who are made up by one cell, and multicellular mean those who are made by more than one cell. They are found in ponds, lakes, and in other water bodies. They are a great source of oxygen and food for a sea life. Algae do not produce seeds, so they need other ways to reproduce. The simple algae reproduce by cell division, other reproduce by spores or fragmentation. Next kind is mosses. The second group of simple plants is mosses. Like algae, they also lack true roots, stems, or leaves. Having no roots, stem, or leaves means they lack a transport system known as the vascular system. Though they do not have true roots, they possess a root-like structure called rhizoids, in which they have a little more advanced than algae. Mosses do not absorb water, instead, they anchor themselves in the soil. Water is absorbed by the whole body of the plant, like a pieces of spongy. Since they lack true roots and leaves, they need to grow near water so that their bodies can absorb water. They reproduce by spores. Okay, dear students, you have to read in your home 2 or 3 times. Inshallah, we will continue in next video this chapter again. Okay, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.